Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can attach files to your tasks in GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the task you would like to edit or customize here on GanttPro. Let me go with, let's go with that one here. That is still open. So click into it, for example, through the board view. And then here in that customization panel to the right, guys, you will see these three options: add assignee, attach files, and add dependencies. So click into attach files, select your source like OneDrive, Google Drive, or your device. Click into it, locate the given files. Let me go with the channel logo, for instance, as a JPEG format. And you will see then the task attachment below. Now, of course, you can attach instructions, Word documents, PDF files for your team members or workspace members, and simply attach them. And you can add more attachments by clicking into that plus button here, or remove the attachment by clicking into the trash icon here to the right, of course. Confirm by clicking into delete. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.